and Cuckoo in away. Is that what they do? Cuckoo away. Oh, Cuckoo! I nearly put the whole sheet of glass through his head. I apologise, but I felt really bad. Okay, so we had some excitement. As soon as I had a little bit of excitement. Bloody plane. Morning, Matt Cormorant City. Lady Walk Nature Reserve this morning. Sun is supposed to be coming out. Supposed to be sunny all day, and it's a bit later than what I normally come out. It's probably about 8:15 now, 8 o'clock. And I've only come out now because when I woke up it was cloudy. Yesterday I went up Middleton Lakes and that was terrible. Managed to get about 6 or 7 shots, I think. Not a lot. So I'll tell you what, we'll start off and I'll show you those photos that I took yesterday from Middleton Lakes. The reason I've incorporated the photos from Middleton Lakes into today's video is because I just never did a video yesterday. It was that crap that it just wasn't even worth getting my other camera out for. I had a walk around with a friend over there, another bird, well, he's more of a bird spotter I think than a photographer, but he's pretty clued up, and he does get about a bit, so he knows his stuff. Brian, I know he does watch some of the videos. So yeah, we just walked around really and talked a load of rubbish. Oh, Cuckoo! I think is it the first time I've heard the cuckoo here? Not sure, but he sounds pretty close. Oh, a bit exciting. Nice if I got a shot of him. I'm putting you away for a bit in my pocket, just in case. Okay, so I had a little bit of excitement there. As I walked round the bend, down the bottom, the cuckoo was sitting in that tree there, and cuckooing away. Is that what they do? Cuckoo away? But he was cuckooing away, and I got a couple of shots, but as always with the cuckoo, it was too far away. So I took some shots, and I'm waiting, and I'm thinking, you know what? I got my teleconverter in the bag. I'll put my teleconverter on, and I'll get a little bit closer. But I knew what was going to happen, and you can guess. As soon as I took my lens off, my camera, he took flight, and he took flight straight at me. I couldn't get my lens on fast enough, but I did follow him, and then he went into that tree there. By the time I got up to the hide, he flew off, so I waited in the hide for a bit, and he came back, And again, I took some shots of him a little bit closer than before, but again, pissing about in my settings, and then he flew again straight at me, and I completely missed it. Didn't even fire a shot off. So I'm a bit gutted, and he's flew back over the river somewhere. So I'm going to kind of hang around for 10 minutes just to see if I hear him cuckoo again, to see if he's still about. Got my teleconverter on now, so hopefully if he does land or I do see him, I will get a little bit closer. I think I've got a couple of shots, but I don't think any of them will be that good. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so I've hung around for a bit, and I did see one cuckoo fly back over that way, and then I thought, oh, I've missed it because, as you can see, the sun's behind me. But I can still hear another one over there, so there's definitely two here. And I was kind of hoping that that one flies over my head. So if I drop the phone in a minute, you'll know why. But I don't know. I think I'm going to move on. I've been here probably an hour now, and I get restless. I have took a couple of good shots of some swallows though, and some sand martins, which makes a change. And I'm using my 1.4 teleconverter, and I must say that trying to track sand martins and swallows with a 1.4 teleconverter on is very hard. I normally take it off, but I've actually managed to, I think it was a fluke, that I've managed to get a couple of decent shots. So that's a bit of a bonus. And I've also got a good shot of a tufted duck, I think, flying towards me. So I've done all right so far. I've only been here, what, an hour? Be nice if I could get a better shot of the cuckoo though. But I'm gonna have a walk on, just in the hope that the turn's here, because I haven't got a good shot of a turn yet. And I do know it has been passing through here. Is that the cuckoo again? That might be the cuckoo up there. I don't know if you can see it. Mind you, they normally cuckoo when they fly, don't they? If that's the term. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on and see what else I can see. Beans I'm on a bit of a roll. And I need to apologise to the man in Rudhide this morning. Both sitting there trying to get photos of the cuckoo over there. And we both got the side window up. Anyway, the cuckoo flew off, and I thought, well, that's it now, I'm going. And I'll try and see where it's gone. So I went to put my window down, but I pressed the wrong clip, and I dropped his window on his head. I nearly put the whole sheet of glass through his head. I apologise, but I felt really bad. So yeah, if you do watch this, I'm really sorry. Okay, so this cuckoo today is playing me up. I went into Riverwalk Hide, and I was in there 5 minutes, and then I could hear it, and it was right behind me. So I came out of the hide, but it's quite condensed in there. And it was in the tree. I knew what tree it was in, but I just couldn't see it. Had a little bit of a walk around slowly, nothing, and then I think it must have spotted me before I spotted it and flew off, and now it's come down beyond the back where most people say it is. I don't know what hide that's called again. Is it not Rud Hide? Bitten Hide, maybe? I don't know. So I'm heading down there, and I don't know. I feel a bit lucky today. I think I might get it. Or get a good shot of it. And there's definitely two. Definitely two, so ups the chances, doesn't it? So fingers crossed. I'm actually about 6 or 7 videos behind. With that, I mean, I've actually took all the video footage and got all the photos. I just haven't had a chance to put the videos together yet. Obviously, when I go out for a day, I have to cut all the photos, edit them, and then once I've got like all the edited photos for that day, then I can start on the video. But because when I go out, I normally take a couple of 100 photos and probably save, I don't know, 20, 30 out of all that. It does take a bit of time for me to kind of finish them all off. So yeah, I am actually about 6 or 7 videos behind. So you might not even get to see this until the winter. No, it normally takes me about a week to finish one. but at the moment I've been getting a good hit rate with photos, so I'm having to edit more photos. So this, I don't know when you'll get this video, but when you do get it, could you like and subscribe please? Really helps. I just need my videos being pushed out there a bit, and apparently YouTube's changed its algorithm where it's really only looking after the big guys now. So yeah, if you could like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks a lot. Okay, so I've been into the bit and hide, nothing really going on, no common term flying around, which is what I wanted. But I did see an oyster catch a chick, which I've never seen before. And there was also, oh, what's it called? The bird with the orange beak. Oh, God. It's gone. I can never think what they're called. One of them. So yeah, nothing really going on. So I'm going to head back. It's getting a bit bright now and contrasty. So yeah, heading back. Got a few things to do at home. So thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't too boring. And there's a little bit to see. But yeah, until next time. Thanks for watching. I forgot. Apologies to the guy that asked me about 3 weeks ago where to see the parakeets here. I said to him, oh, I don't think you get the parakeets here, mate. I've never seen them here. I've seen so many today. So apologies. Yeah, I'd never seen them here before, and there are quite a lot. And if you are watching and you do want to know, they're the other side of the river. Loads of them.